Let's give her a little something. Whatever that was about. Good morning to you. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, I think. Let's see. No, today is Friday. I'm so sorry. I'm all messed up. We are en route to Bob's BMW in Jessup. If you guys are ever in the market for BMW or Ducati and want your bike serviced or whatever the case may be. Oh my God, so sorry. My bike's so rude. I'm trying to talk and it just has a mind of its own. So if you guys are ever in the market or need your bike serviced, highly recommend Bob's BMW. Great guys, really awesome to work with. Going to get the K1600 serviced, which is a monster of a motorcycle. That bike still blows me away. It's got the windscreen up and down, got the radio, and it can literally beat anything on the road. It is unbelievable. You know, before I got into motorcycles, and I always would look at them, I'm like, oh man, them ones with the bags are just ew. Oh my God, look, they're little cows. They're so cute. Sorry, before I got really interrupted by the cutest cow on earth. I've always been like, on the bagger type bikes, but this man right here definitely got me over that because I love them now. I mean, they are so versatile. I mean, you could literally be racing 1000s all day and then just be cruising, going to Cali, like, with the radio on, put all your luggage in the saddlebags, like, it's crazy. So today's a sad day because it's probably one of the last enjoyable rides of the year. Who knows, maybe we might go out tomorrow. It blows my mind that we have officially hit 1,000 subscribers. You know, I've always wanted to do YouTube growing up, watching all these big YouTubers and stuff, and no, I'm not there by any means, but just to hit a milestone that big is pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. So if you guys been supporting the channel for a long time, I really appreciate y'all. If you're a new subscriber, I appreciate you too. And if you're just viewing in, hey, appreciate you too, my friend. I would love to finish this thing off. I'm waiting on, so I ordered a bunch of stuff for this, like probably 4 or 5 big items. And of course they're coming from China because, you know, broke boy can't afford the real stuff. So I got a notification the other day that China Post needs more information from me. And I'm like, bro, what more information do you need? I gave you money. I gave you my address. What else do you need? It says it's getting held up at customs. Bro, how does it get held up at customs? What is the problem? So I'm wanting to do this for a while since I got my slip on, I mean, my header on. I'm gonna wait to the end because I don't want to make anybody upset. I'll give you a little pops. A little one. Oh my God. Oh my God, man, how could you not love that? Hey, my stepdad went to here and he did the whole holding his ear. I had to do it for him, you know? We'll get crazier at the end. Why not? Good Lord. Just mag dump there at the end. Something must have happened. I swear it said we were going to get there at 8:59 and now it says 8:53. That's so weird. Something must have happened. Oh God, I love it. Oh, I love it. Let's flip the tag back around. I got scared for a minute. I went to grab my tag and felt like nothing was there. I'm like, oh my God. So I'm on a KTM Duke 790. Going on a little test drive. I just like to see what's in the same family as the GSX-S. I really like this clutch release. Oh yeah, this thing feels good. At first it was a little weird coming from a GSX-S to this, with the pegs and all, because it's a lot lower and the seating position's a little higher. But so far it's been feeling good. Guessing these are heated grips. I don't want to mess with it because I don't know what it is. This bike feels very good. Feels kind of smaller though. Like I bet you this thing weighs nothing. It's very nimble. This thing's purring. So from what I read quickly on the interweb, I would assume that this is definitely an upgrade from MT-07, because I've seen the horsepower numbers and I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. I think it's right around 100 crank. All right, here's my road here. Oh, we're hearing a little noise back there. Love to hear that. Let's give her a little something. Whatever that was about. Really too sure what that was. This thing feels good though. Feels really good. Just take a little, just get a little bit. thing sounds crazy. I'm not into twins. I mean, they're definitely growing on me, but it's just not something I would pick over my bike. But hey, it's no hate to the twins. It's just not something I would really do. I think we got to go right here. I really like the carbon accents on it. This tank pad's just not something I would have. But hey, to each their own. It's probably nice you could put something in there. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna test drive any other ones. We'll have to see. My stepdad's bike's getting worked on, so I don't know. See how we feel. But overall, I do like this bike a lot. I can definitely tell you it's similar to MT-07, but it's, I think, a lot quicker from the butt dyno. It's very nimble, very nice. So our friend at Cycle Gear just let me ride his 1290 Duke. Don't hold me to that. I'm not the best with these. This thing is so loud, oh my god, and it's very touchy throttle. Notice that. Oh, right off the bat. Whoa, yeah, buddy. That's a torquey sucker right there. This thing is violent. Wow. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Sounds insane. Alright, they got there first. They're letting them go. I'm just gonna go for it. That thing was fun. Finding neutral is gonna be the more funner part. Don't worry, y'all, I got it. I think this video is just going to be me driving everybody else's bike. This is a loaner because his K1600, the master cylinder's just seized up, so they're going to get a new one. They gave him a loaner. But this is pretty cool. I've never driven an enduro type. I'm not sure the price range of these. I guess it would be considered kind of like a dual purpose. I would assume so. This has a quick shifter as well. That's pretty cool. I've never had one of them before. I'm lying. I had one on the S1000R that we drove in Daytona. That thing sounds crazy. I've noticed you got to be really low in the in gears. It's pretty stable though for what it is. It's so weird to feel all the different type of bikes in like one day and having to go back and you're like, oh, you know, one thing had one better than the other. So he's got pretty good pickup. So I don't do this often, but I think I'm going to do the ending part on someone else's bike. So today, pretty great day. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's been just a great day. Got a few shout outs here. If you guys are in the market for a motorcycle, and in particular a BMW or Ducati, hit up Bob's BMW. They're great people. And also, if you need any kind of motorcycle gear, anything, motocross stuff, motorcycle stuff, whatever the case may be, go check out Cycle Gear in Glen Burnie. Great people up there as well. And thank you all again so much for 1,000 subscribers. It means the world to me. Here's the 10,000, here's the 100,000, here's still a million. Let's get it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe on our good stuff. Stick around if you're new. Seeing you on the flip side. Peace.